Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this is 2a3 move zeros. So given integer arrays, move all 0 to the end while maintaining the relative orders of non-zero element. Note that you must do in place without making a copy. Okay, so this problem difficult. The difficult part is that you cannot make a copy, right? So suppose, let's say you see the example 0, 1, 0, 3, 12, then you should be 0, 3, 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? So the difficult part is that you cannot make a copy, right? Suppose you can make a copy, then it's easier, right? I mean, if I can make a copy, then I can just count that, I can just say, there are 2 zeros and 3 non-zeros, so I can pick 3 non-zero and then take 2 0, and then create a new list, and then basically it will be trivial, right? So difficult part is that you cannot, okay. Right, so that means that you can only use append or pop, that kind of thing. Okay, so it's very so the way I do is that I first create an index, right? Stay at the first one, right? So if the index, and I count how many zeros, right? So that count how many zeros, and you will understand what. And while I less than the number, the length of the array minus the count, if number is 0, if I see 0, then I should delete this guy, right? So I should pop. So I pop I. If I see 0, I pop a 0, right? Because I need to delete zeros. But I append 0. I pop and I append. So 0 becomes left, becomes the right, and else I just go to 1, right? So now you understand why I use count here, right? Because this I can at most go left. I increase if and only if there's non-zero, right? So how many non-zero here is basically the number of nums minus the number of the count of 0. So the idea is that you see 0, you pop, and you append. That's it. And so the idea, this problem is not very easy. If you try to choose another way to solve it, you may not solve it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video.